This is my sugar-free, sweet and tangy barbecue sauce. It's so easy to make. It's got a nice little bit of heat into it. Makes you want to come back for some more. It's so easy to make. I've been making this for 20 years now. Today I'm cooking my sugar-free, sweet and tangy barbecue sauce. I've been making this for 20 years now. And it was just the last couple of years that I took the sugar out, and I've replaced it with some brown Swerve actually, which is really nice. And it caramelizes nicely. This recipe was developed for my picnic chicken. It's good on ribs. It's good on burgers and dogs and pulled pork. It's a very good recipe. So I'm just going to turn this induction burner on. I've got a 1/4 cup of water. When I originally wrote this recipe, it was Jack Daniels that went into this. So 1/4 cup of water. You can go to Jack Daniels. You can take out or add in whatever you like in this recipe, but I think it's nicely balanced. And I'm going with a sugar-free ketchup. A lot of my barbecue sauces are ketchup based, and this one's no sugar added. The recipe for this is below in the comments section. In goes the ketchup. And I've got some Bragg cider vinegar with the mother. 3 tablespoons of the Swerve Ultimate Brown. If you haven't tried it, it's really good. It tastes just like sugar, and it works really well for caramelizing on ribs and chicken, and so in that goes. And I've got some fresh cracked pepper, Worcestershire sauce, chili powder, of course. I'm going with ancho chili powder today. I really like that. It's kind of like a little smoky, and I've got some garlic salt. And I've got some garlic powder. Onion powder. This is celery seed. It really makes it, especially for the chicken. And a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. So it's not really spicy, but it's got enough heat that you want to go back for more. Now, at this point, you can add in a little bit of liquid smoke if you like. I'm just going to put like a little dash, kind of like that. And a little bit of your favorite hot sauce. My favorite hot sauce is called Billy Bob's. It's a Louisiana-style hot sauce. Just a little bit, just a couple of dashes. And I'm just going to bring this up to a boil. Then we're going to simmer it for about 10 minutes. Okay, that's about 5 minutes. It's starting to reduce really nicely. Just a little bit more. It's a little too watery still. There we go. I like that consistency there. I'm going to turn this burner off. And you can add in all kinds of funky stuff. I've made this recipe so many times over the years. You can, if you like a little bit of cinnamon, or if you like some cardamom, some allspice, a little bit of cloves, that kind of steps it up a little bit too. And one of the ingredients that I really enjoy a lot is adding a little bit of curry into it, either Caribbean style curry or a Indian style curry, and it just a little bit, like just a pinch. Okay, I've sterilized this bottle. I'm going to put this in while it's still hot. There you go. Next up is my picnic chicken, and that's what we're going to use this on. That is one really good sauce. I wouldn't change anything in the ingredients. It's just perfect. That's sugar-free barbecue sauce. Thanks for watching.